Good afternoon, friends. This is around 12 p.m. today, that is 16th of October 2022, and we are now analyzing the Nifty movement, where the Nifty will move in the coming hour. So, friends, without wasting the time, I am just asking you to open the strategy which has been already disclosed to you and apply to your chart so that we can analyze smoothly and understand the strategy very easily. So friends, just open the chart of 15 minutes. See, this is the chart of 15 minutes. What we are observing. First step is to see the position of the cloud span. The cloud span is within the cloud and above the cloud. First position. Second means bullishness is still prevailing. First of all. Secondly, the Tenkan-sen Kijun-sen crossover has been observed at around 3:15 p.m. on 13th of October, and from which we have identified the trend confirmation candle, and from this particular candle, if we move back into 6 periods to identify the highest price made by the index during this duration, that is 19,801.98. So this is the trigger price for the Nifty. Unless and until the Nifty is traded above this particular price, one should not enter into the long side of trade in Nifty first of all. Secondly, friends, what we are observing that this has been over. Means Tenkan-sen Kijun-sen prosperous trend confirmation candle, or accordingly the trigger price has been fixed here for the upward move. Whereas what we are observing here today at around 10:30 a.m. we have observed, or 10:45 a.m. today we have observed the downward crossover by the Tenkan-sen between the Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen. This Tenkan-sen has crossed the Kijun-sen downward. So initially it has shown the bearish move, but the trend confirmation candle has not been generated because MACD is traded above it. Crossover is above the signal line. So the bullishness still persists here, prevails here. Secondly, what we are observing here, in this particular duration, there was a overlapping between span A and span B, means both are parallel. If the span A and span B are parallel, and Tenkan-sen and if the price is traded above the Tenkan-sen or Kijun-sen, it means that the buyers are still having control and they will try to lift the market in the upward direction. This was the conclusion drawn on the analysis of 15-minute chart. Okay, friends, I'm just moving to the 1-hour chart. What is going on? See, 1-hour chart, what you are observing. You are just observing that Chicago spine is above the price and is above the cloud. Okay. So bullishness prevails in the 1 hour chart as per Chicago span position. But Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen crossover has been observed here, and trend confirmation candle for the downward move has also been identified. So the trend confirmation candle, what we have got is 19,676. Okay, 19,676. Then this this particular candle. This particular candle low is the trigger price for the downward move as per the 1 hour chart analysis. Bullishness is still there, but bearish crossover is observed and trend confirmation candle has been identified. Thereafter, the trigger price has been determined in case of Nifty 1 hour chart analysis. So bullishness is still there, but bearish crossover has been observed. Means sellers will drag the market downward. This has been confirmed, and this can be also observed from this particular scenario where span A is constant and span B is moving upward. This shows that buyers are exhausted and they are just losing their control, and sellers are building are taking the market into in their hold. And if this scenario develops in the coming hours, you can see the downward move in the Nifty. So expected downward move means there is an expected downward move. There is no positive sign right now. But what we are observing that Nifty that index value is traded above the Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen. It gives that buyers are still making their effort to lift the market in the upward direction. Means they are trying their level best to lift the market in the upward direction. But this will not happen because sellers have taken the control and buyers have exhausted. Means some buyers are trying to lift the market in the upward direction. In 1 or 2 hours, these particular buyers will also become tired and and give the control to the sellers. This is the scenario in the 1 hour chart analysis. Downward move is expected anytime in the coming hours. Now let's see what is going in the 2 hour chart. 2 hours chart, what we are observing that Tenkan-sen gap is quite high and Tenkan-sen is within the cloud. Though the situation there is a upward crossover by MACD, the gapping between the Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen is quite high and span B and span A are parallel. So friends, what we are expecting that in the coming hour, the index will if traded below this level, 19,740, then we will see the level of 19,660. So friends, what we are expecting that if the index is traded below 19,740 or 739, Tenkan-sen value is 739.30 in 2 hours analysis. So if the index is traded below 19,739, the price will or the index value will come to the level of 19,662. So 662, 19,676, 19,692 are the supports which we are observing. So downward move is quite limited because 19,692 is the support, 19,776 is the support, 19,662 is the support, and 19,652 is also the support. So these are the basic support which we are just observing here. So limited downside move is there with 100 points move 668, 120 points move is expected. Downward that, not below that. This is the analysis of 2 hours chart. Because market is in the bullish and buyers are still dominating right now. Though they are fighting to keep the control in their hold, but presently the buyers are trying their level best to uplift the market. So unless and until 19,740 is not taken away, one should not enter into the market for the short term for the target of 19,692, 676 or 652, even 662. In this particular level, one should square up their position. And downward move will be seen, drastic downward move will be seen when the index is traded below 19,652. So this was the complete analysis of Nifty, where we are expecting that what we are observing. 2 hours chart is bullish right now. Buyers are dominant and they are trying to lift the market in the upward direction. 15-minute chart is also bullish, whereas 1 hour chart is just showing the bearish. So friends, initially we can just expect the upward move to the level of 19,801 maximum. Actually, what I am expecting that 15 minutes is bullish, 1 hour is still bullish, though the scenario is sellers are dominating, but right now the stock is traded above the Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen. That means buyers are still kept the hold in the market right now in the present scenario. So 1 hour is also bullish and 2 hours. When you are observing 2 hours, what we are observing again that buyers are still dominating in the 2 hours also. So what we expect now? What is the conclusion? That the bullish scenario still prevails, but overall scenario as per 1 hour chart is negative and 15-minute chart is also showing some negativity. Let's see what is the negativity. No, scenario changed here. This is the trend confirmation candle, and if you let's see. Hmm. Overall, the scenario is we are drawing the conclusion right now that the market is positive as per the analysis done on 2 hours chart. 1 hour chart, there is a bullishness still prevails, though the sellers are taking the control. Buyers have exhausted overall, but right now at present condition, current situation, current timing, the market is bullish. 15-minute chart is bullish. So one should enter the long trade as and when the market is above 19,801.9. So friends, these are all the points which has to be covered in the Nifty for doing the exact analysis. So friends, I am concluding it right now that we are in the bullish phase, so the overall market is bearish as per 1 hour. 1 hour dominate, but still 15-minute chart has turned into bullish. 1 hour chart is also bullish, but overall it is bearish. So if you will see the current condition, we will see a bounce back. 2 hours chart is bullish unless and until the stock is or the index is traded above 19,740. So unless and until the 19,740 is not taken away, one should not enter into the short trade. So one should enter into the long with a stop loss of 19,740 for the target of 19,801. This is the exact analysis we have done for your reference. In this way, you can just do the analysis, and if you feel any difficulty in analyzing the scenario, you drop an email. My email ID is digital.director@gmail.com, or you can drop the message in the comment section so that I can immediately clarify your queries at the earliest. So friends, once again I am requesting you to kindly subscribe our channel so that everybody should have the benefit of stock trading and gaining the conceptual knowledge. So friends, thank you very much. Have a nice day.